Well, that's not going to work. Let's make an eye stake that can be hammered into a piece of wood here in the blacksmith shop at Sutter's Fort. Step one, we're going to make our spike, meaning we're going to take this edge and make it pointy. That's also called a taper. Now that we got this part nice and pointy, we can flip it around and work on our eye hoop. Now the key here to making our eye is bringing it over to the horn, and we're going to wrap all the way around, tapping it as I feed it in until we almost close the loop. Flip it around. We're going to hammer it on itself just a bit here. Use the face to straighten it out. Now we're going to use the horn again to center that back up. Now we're going to go ahead and take this and cool it off. Now that'll work.